Welcome. Today we are going to assemble the Mr. Billy Bob Windy Wind tunnel in his experiments.
The wind tunnel is separated into two parts, a portable ventilator fan and a test section with a transparent viewing area. Start by placing the two sections on a flat, elevated surface. Next, orient the fan such that it rests on its flanged exhaust end. Then place the flanged side of the test section on top of the fan, ensuring that the tabs on the latches are aligned. Then draw all four latches to securely fasten the test section to the fan. Then tilt the entire assembly back down so that it rests on a flat table. There are three separate ways to power up the fan. First, plug in the fan cord into any standard wall outlet or extension cord. Then, ensure that the toggle switch is in the on position. Next, the speed of the fan can be adjusted with the variable resistor switch on the side of the handle. Lastly, the fan can be toggled on and off by depressing the variable switch. To assemble the wind turbine experiment, you will need the voltmeter, a wind turbine assembly, a cell phone charger dock, and a cell phone with a power cord. Start by placing a piece of masking tape on the bottom of the wind turbine platform. This will keep the assembly in place while the wind tunnel is operating. Then position the platform inside the testing section such that the front edge of the platform aligns with the marks on the bottom. Next, make sure that the cord coming out of the wind turbine will be clear of the turbine blades. Now plug the black wire into the white ground side of the voltmeter, and the red wire into the positive red side. Then plug the cell phone charger cord into the cell phone dock. Now turn the fan on and adjust the speed using the knob. At low speeds, the turbine will produce a low voltage. Use the 10 DC volt setting on the voltmeter to read the voltage generated at these low speeds. At higher speeds, the voltmeter will need to be set to the 250 DC volt setting to be able to read the voltage produced. To assemble the hurricane ties experiment, you will need two model houses and roofs and sticky glue dots. One of the houses will need glue dots applied to each of the top four corners. Then align the roof of the house such that the house fits between the notches and press the two firmly together. This will adhere the roof to the house tightly. Now take one of the houses, place a piece of masking tape on its bottom, and place it inside the test section, ensuring that the front edge of the house lines up with the marks on the bottom of the test section, and make sure that the slope side of the roof is facing the wind tunnel inlet. For the drag force experiment, you will need the pine wood derby car and attached mesh bag, the steel rod, the rolling platform, changed to be used as a counterbalance, and the different car bodies.
Move the wind tunnel forward so that its front legs are flush with the edge of the table.
Start by placing the rolling platform in the wind tunnel such that the notch on the bottom is flush with the bottom of the test section. Next, slide the steel rod through the two eye hooks located at the front of the test section. Then place the pinewood derby car on top of the rolling platform so that the car straddles the elevated centerpiece. The car should roll with little resistance. Note that different shaped car bodies can be slipped over to the body of the car to demonstrate the effect of drag force. While the wind turbine is running, slowly place the coins into the mesh bag until the car reaches a balance point. Now you and your Mr. Billy Bob Windy wind tunnel should be all set and ready to go. Good luck and have fun!